going to Unice, their newest location on Century and Inglewood, to pick up some hair. I think I want the water wave bundles. I gotta put this sewing in. I was gonna get somebody to do it, but I don't feel like paying, so I'm gonna just do it myself. Okay, I made it. Okay, got the goods. I'm gonna take the braids out. Okay, so now it's time to wash this, and then I'm gonna try to hurry up and braid it down because, y'all, I gotta go get my shots. I didn't know, it said recommended, and my doctor didn't respond to me, so I called, and they said, you need 4 shots. They're recommended, they're not required, but what the fuck? I gotta go all the way to LA, get my shots. I still have to get my nails done, still have to get my feet done, still have to pack my bag. Okay, now it's time to wash.
Take me back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past. I might fly Priscilla out just for better. So mesmerized by that ass. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me. Nigga can't help but to touch.
I'm about to, maybe I'll just do 2 braids. Okay. So I ended up taking my dog to my grandmother's house while I went to the hospital to get my vaccinations. And then while I was there, my mom was like, you might as well just go get your nails done while you're out. So I got my nails short so that I could braid my hair. But then I got back and my sister-in-law was there and she knows how to braid. So she was able to braid my hair up really quick for me, and it saved me so much time. Got my vaccines. And the braids.
Smack it round a bit, then sip on some bubbly. Hope I'm not doing too much. Strange new addictions pick up on the road. Change my opinion and change some my flows. Change my approach, no more loving these hoes. And when it rains, it pours. Hey, you make me feel so primal. That's what I am. I'm just a man. Take that pussy, drop it like that. I love it when you move like that. Now turn around and throw it back. Get back, get back. No, 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 no. Strippers out in Vegas, New Orleans too. Booty's just no shake like the sellers do. All these on the tools, they not one or two. Now I'm stack or 2.
Don't miss the blood.
And all the gas I blew. Strippers out in Vegas, New Orleans too. Booty's just no shake like the sellers do. All these on the tools, they not one or 2. Now I'm stack or 2. Look at all the gas I blew. Strange new addictions pick up on the road.
Making progress.
Change my opinion, change some my flows, change my approach. Loving these hoes, and when it rains, it pours. Hey, you make me feel so prominent. That's what I am. I'm just a man.
So I'm going to leave it like this for now, and then I'm going to fill it in once I get to Miami. So I'm whispering because my brother is staying at my house to watch my dog, y'all. And I started sewing this hair in at 11:30 p.m. and I finished at 2:12. Okay, my flight, I had to be up at 4:30 to be at the airport by 5 to catch my flight, y'all. Like, I was so freaking tired this day. I could not believe it. So this was 2 bundles in my head right here, and I went ahead and just put it in a ponytail. I made it look better for when I went to the airport, and then when I got to Miami, I added a few more filler pieces and then one more track like going around the like whole little base, which I'm doing right here. So I ended up using like 2.5 bundles. I got 3 bundles at the shop, so I didn't even use a little bit of the 3rd bundle, but yeah, I ended up just adding a few more pieces, and then I'm going to style it.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout.
Just put it in these 2 braids last night. I don't know what it's about to look like. I didn't bring my bonnet, y'all. All I brought was my scarf, so the back is like fuzzy. I had to weave it so long, y'all. So long. I didn't bring nothing. I barely brought any hair stuff. My hair box is still packed. I think I'm just gonna rod the pieces in the back and leave it like this.
You know what that's about, watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you